Hello everyone, today I am making 3 super cute ceramic things using silicone molds. Let's get started. Now first up, a tiny pot. Super cute, isn't it? Next up, a little trinket tray. I'm just pouring the ceramic mixture into the mold and tapping it to get rid of the bubbles. Super easy. Now just pour the ceramic mixture and let it dry. Now just let it dry. And finally, this tea coaster. Honestly, these are so fun to customize and perfect for your desk or a coffee table. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Thank you.